Ways to make money online. Are you looking for ways to make money online from the comfort of your home? In this video, we'll walk you through 7 proven methods to earn real income online in 2025. Let's dive in. Freelancing is one of the fastest growing ways to make money online. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer.com connect you with clients looking for writing, design, and more. If you're creative, you can sell digital products like ebooks, templates, or music. Websites like Etsy, Gumroad, or Teachable allow you to earn passive income again and again. With affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products and earn commissions. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or use social media to grow your affiliate income. Create and sell online courses or offer coaching services if you're good at something. Use platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or your own site. Print on Demand lets you upload your design, and the rest is automated. Sites like Printful and Redbubble help you start your own merch line with no upfront costs. Remote customer support and virtual assistance jobs are available online. Look on sites like FlexJobs, We Work Remotely, and Indeed. Investing in stocks or crypto can be profitable, but requires knowledge and care. Apps like Robinhood and Binance help you get started. Always learn before you invest. So there you have it. 7 proven ways to make money online in 2025. Which one will you try first? Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more.